Hey YouTube! New Photoshop tool check.
Oh, hee-ho, hee-ho, chicken in a big ball, like chickens, like to hatch some eggs, to eat 'em up, boogaloo, chicka boom, chum, I love some Chucky.
Alright guys, yesterday I was showing how I delete a background from a still picture on Photoshop. Well, I got a comment from somebody who said I was doing it all wrong. Okay, well, first let me say, in Photoshop, there's 99 ways to do the same thing. However, some are easier, some are hard. So anyway, this new tool, or it's not a new tool, but it's a tool, and I don't know what it's called, but it's like an eyedropper, and it's under the selection tool menu, and it's supposed to be easier to remove backgrounds. So, like I said, I have been self-taught. I've been doing Photoshop for a good 20 years, and I thought I knew everything. But the one thing about Photoshop is that I'm constantly learning new tricks, new techniques. So, that being said, let's go try out this tool. Like I said, I've never used it before. Typically, when I find how to do something, I usually stick with it and do it a little better each time. And some days I learn stuff that I never knew. So that's the one good thing about Photoshop. I'm constantly learning new things. So today, like I said, I've never used it, and I'm going to try it and see if I can do what this person commented and said. The person is Goodview Woodworks. If you check out their channel, they're a good friend of mine. And that's what he said he did, and he's been doing for all this time. So I'm going to check it out today. So let's get to it. Yeah!
Okay, all right. We're back. So I guess the first thing I'm going to want to do is open up Photoshop. Sitting and waiting. Boy, this computer's pretty fast. All right, so now, like I said, I've never, ever used this tool before. And so I'm going to go up here and I'm going to open the last picture that I did yesterday. And we're going to go up here, and I found this earlier, but I was using the magic wand tool. But this is called the quick selection tool. So let's go ahead and try it. So, I'm not sure what it does, but let's just try it out and see how it works. Okay, it's actually... Okay, wow. It selected the back there, okay. Did around the tire. Oh, wow, man, this thing works so much better than the way I was doing it. Oh, wow. Wow, man, that is awesome. Hey, thanks Goodview Woodworks for teaching me something. And like I said, I've been doing this for years. Now, I do see that it selected part of the hood, and he told me that if you hit the minus sign, you can back that up a little bit. So let's just see how that works. Okay. Wow, that seems to work great. I guess I'll have to delete all this here. So let's go back to the plus and see if I can. Okay, that seems to work good. Let me go up here and try it again. I'm going to hit deselect. And I'm going to go up here to the quick selection tool. And oh wow, it just snaps. It snaps to where you want it. All right, let's do around here. Let's just start here and go on around. Oh, wow, look at that. That is awesome. All right, let's duplicate this layer and delete this. First of all, hit the delete button. And go over here. We'll try this area. Oh, man, that is so much easier. For 20 years, I've been doing it the slow way. Oh, my gosh, look at this. Man, that is just so easy. Well, I know one thing. I'll be using this from now on. It is having a hard time on the hood there, so let's just try it and see what happens. Okay, so we can go like this. Now let's go and erase here first of all, and that's where it did it good. And let's go back up to the quick selection tool, and we're gonna do it right. Oh, that's minus. I did the wrong one. So let's go to the plus. It does okay. It's having a hard time. So I guess maybe if I adjust the adjust this stuff. Like I said, I've never done this before, so this is like a first try. But so far, man, that is just, look at that, one click got that, one click got that. Didn't do too good on that. So let's just see how. Oh, okay. You use the minus and just scrub it, and then you can. Wow, that is so cool. Man, I really like this tool. Let's try it down here. Oh, man. I've been doing it the hard way all these years. Man, that is so cool. Okay. Wow. All right. Well, today's lesson was to not use the magic wand like I was. Of course, you probably can use both together. Now you see how I was able to select that with the magic wand? With the magic wand, and so I'm going to hit delete. And it did a decent job. So I've learned something today. Using both tools, you can really do it a lot faster than what I was doing it last time. Okay, well, cool. So that's today's trick. Wonder if there's anything else I can do today and make this video just a little longer. Let's try something here. Let's and see. I'm going to duplicate layer, okay, and hide the background layer. Now let's go up here to this quick selection tool. Let's go down here. Oh my gosh, that is just amazing. Look at that, guys. Look how that just takes away the stuff that you don't want. I mean, all you do is click and it's like going crazy. I mean, that is way better. Way, way, way better than the magic wand for what I'm using it for. So, man, I am definitely going to use this more often. Look at that. That is just amazing how that works. I mean, that is awesome. Like I said, all these years I've been doing the magic wand, and all I needed to do was use this. And that's, like I said, that's one thing that I've noticed about Photoshop, and I said it earlier, is that you really, really, every day I'm learning something new. And I've never taken tips off of YouTube or anything like that. I love finding out how to do stuff myself. And the reason why I do that is because it's easier for me to remember it if I do it on my own. If I watch somebody else, I have to rewatch and rewatch and rewatch just to remember it. Whereas if I do it myself, I find it to be, for me, other people may not be this way, but for me, I remember how to do it and it sticks with me. Whereas if I just watch a video or somebody tells me, I'm not sure how to do it. But anyway, wow, that is great. So anyway, guys, well, that's going to be about it for our video today. I'm going to play around here a little bit. I wonder if I can select the vehicle itself. Let's try that. Let me go up here and hit deselect. Let's see if it works the opposite way. Let me duplicate this layer. And let's see if it works the opposite way. If it works in this. Wow, it seemed to do pretty good there. Yeah, see, it's doing just the vehicle there instead of taking out the background. So it seems to work really good that way. Wow, that's something else I learned. So you can actually select just the vehicle, and now it's selected. Now, if you want to delete that area, let's subtract this window here. Oh, well, that's not working. So I wonder how I get rid of this. Maybe go up here and hit this. Well, that seemed to work. Okay, well, no, it selected this window, but that's okay. No, that's not okay. So, oh, okay, so look, now the truck, just the truck is selected by doing that on the truck. The truck is selected minus a few little things here. So let's do this. Let's layer copy, or let's cut just to see what it looks like. So wow, that is just simple amazing. I always thought I knew so much about Photoshop, and it's, oh man, that is just, it's kind of embarrassing because like I thought, I've been doing Photoshop for so long that I just thought I knew everything, but it just goes to show you, or shows to go you, that you can learn stuff every single day. Now let's go back to the layer and see what the background, see, that's the truck totally taken out. That is just crazy. That is, oh man, I'm so happy I found this. And hey, thanks again, Goodview Woodworks, for showing me how to do this. I appreciate it. That's what's so good about YouTube, is that you can learn so much from other people commenting and telling you that there's an easier way to do something. So in that respect, thank you, Goodview Woodworks, for helping me out on this. I really appreciate it. That's going to make things so much easier for me in the future. And that's that.
Okay, well, guys, that was awesome. I learned something new today. And I'm very happy because I'm going to start using this all the time now. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you come back and watch more of my videos on how-tos and Photoshop and Premiere, and like I said, it's the way that I do it, and I hope I can inspire somebody to do it, to work on it, and help them in any way that I can. Sometimes I don't. I'm sure there's a lot of things I don't do correctly, but it's a learning experience, and I've been learning for 20 years how to do Photoshop. So anyway, you guys take care. I hope you come back, like, subscribe, do all the stuff so you can stay up to date with our newest videos. Okay, well, we'll see you later.
Chicka boom, jump. I love some Chucky. I like beef chutney. Beef chutney. Beef chutney. Beef chutney. Beef chutney. Beef chutney. I like a big fat beef chutney.